I thought we'd agreed to do that, and then went to talk to the guy about something, and when I got just across the room, and when I got back, Jerry was on the phone with the guide, I thought, arranging for us to go back to Oman, and he said, wait, give us a few minutes. And I think Udom balked at spending any money, any more money.
Right.
But I told him that because we were going to have to pay for the room back in Oman.
Mm-hmm.
We had paid that night for Wadi Rum. That wasn't going to get reimbursed. And I told him I'd pay his hotel room, but he...
Were you guys in Muscat?
Huh?
Were you guys in Muscat? Muscat, Oman?
Oman, Muscat,
The capital?
country.
No. Amman, Jordan. I'm sorry, I may not be pronouncing it clearly.
Oh, I should go to Oman. It's very close from here,
Amman
right?
or Oman?
Oman, yeah.
Have you been there? Oman.
Oman, I haven't. Jordan, I
neither.
haven't been. Yeah.
I should go.
But that